When three juggernauts collide, who will come out on top? Yes, we've got three massive teams from the Premier League. Who will win the Premier League based on how great their shirt is? Yes, we have gone for three of the best teams in the Premier League. One standing out a mile, one also ran, and one who wants to really try it again this season. But, like I always say with this channel, please do, when you buy the shirts, get one size higher. Go for a bigger size because they do come in a little bit snug sometimes. And if you go for the player version of the shirt, try and go 2 sizes up if it is available. Because the players, yeah, they're a little bit fitter than me and you and everyone else, to be honest. But it's one of those ones where you just got to be a bit careful with the sizing. The sizes can catch you out. But hey ho, you know, I'm sort of like a large, extra large, so I normally go 2XL. Nice little loose fit, works out quite well. kitmm1.com is where it's all at. They have all the latest shirts from Chelsea. Look at this, look at this Chelsea shirt. They've actually got the badge through. In fact, let's have a quick look at it. Let's go click on it and just show you what we're talking about. They've got the badge, look. Do you see that? See that there, look. Got the badge on the jersey. That is unbelievable. Manchester City, again, 26-27 shirt. Look at that, it's a beauty. It's a beauty. £11.30. You can obviously make it a bit more expensive by adding a few more bells and whistles. Tottenham's away shirt. Again, you know, another team who are on the up. Or are they? What we're going to do now, though, we're going to talk to you about the three teams I'm talking about. I've not mentioned them yet. So without any further ado, let's go and show you the shirts. And in no particular order, from the order I was talking about, we have the latest Manchester United shirt. And this one, I'm not bothering with the green screen today. We're leaving it as it is. I'm not worried about it. Yeah. We can see it. It's yellow. We know what the badge is. But this here is the latest Manchester United shirt. Now, by Adidas. We do, as always, with Adidas. We've got the 3 stripes. We've got the Premier League badge down there as well. Snapdragon through there. They've actually done quite a good job, actually, with this one this year. We've got the black and white, because obviously they are the Red Devils. They're not the Reds. And the same with the black and white through the neck as well there, look. And as with always, straight off the press, look. United through the neck there, look. We have through the neck there, we've got a little bit of a stretchy piece there. A little bit of over thread in there, but nothing major, you know. Just pick that away. You could, if you wanted to, cut it off, you know, but it's just a little bit of overstitch. There we go, look. Just come where me hand there, look. There we are. Look at that. Adidas. I don't want to touch the badge. It's not my team. But that there, I don't want to get it too close either. With the old Climber Cool down there. Have I got anything this side? No. Adidas. Man United. Where will they finish this season? I'm going to rate the shirts in a minute. The next one, hot off the press. The Gunners. So we have the Arsenal shirt. And yes, these are the fly-by-nights. They won it last year. Will they do it again this season? Not got a bad looking shirt, actually. So Adidas there. We've got a bit of a smart 3-stripe down through. Obviously got the gold for the Premier League there. Wasn't long ago that Liverpool had that. Through here we have the Dell. There must be a new sponsor for them this season. Obviously not Dell as in the computer Dell. It's a different type of Dell. They as well have a bit of a retro sort of cuff going on. Nice little stretch to it. Same through the neck, a little bit there. And rather than the stretchy piece in the neck, they've just gone across like so. Climacool as well. Yes, indeed. Down there, Climacool. We got anything across the neck for them? No. Would have been a nice little touch to have the Gunners across there, I think. You know, United have got that little extra bit on it at the moment. Doesn't taste nice saying that. And the final one. We've gone all red. Yes, it's Liverpool. And with Liverpool, we have the Standard Chartered. We've got the Liverpool Liverbird, the Adidas there. Being Liverpool, all the extras are in white because obviously Liverpool are the Reds, the genuine Reds. We have the Expedia down there. We've got the Premier League, no room for racism on that one there. We've obviously got the fantastic commemorative 97 there. We have the Climacool. We do down there, look beautiful. And to be honest, you know, with the fact that this one is a shirt that's a blast from the past, shall we say. I remember Barnesy and all wearing this shirt. It is an absolute cracker. And also, actually, down on the back there, we have the Liverpool Foundation as well, LFC. It's looking really good. We don't bother with the numbers, but that would actually add a little bit to it. With these shirts, they're all £11.30. But if you do put the Premier League badge, for sake's sake, onto the shirt, I think it's an extra £1.17. If you want a poppy in there, it's an extra 78. The Expedia, 78. Football Foundation, 78. And the same sort of thing goes on and on and on for all the other clubs as well. You can have whatever you want. You can have literally anything you want. And we will look at Chelsea as an example of that. So if you wanted to put a shirt together, just say you wanted a 2XL, you wanted the IFS on there, you wanted the Club World Cup business on there as well, the Premier League badges, you can have the rubber ones. Ah, right, so no. So these ones are actually rubberized. I don't know whether they're going to start doing rubberized ones. It says 2 of them. Not sure what the 2, why you want 2. 1, I don't know where the 2 would go. Normally one's obviously on there. Maybe there's something new for the Premier League that's going to be happening. And the sleeve one as well for the FTP. So if we just put that with no name, £14.81. KitMM1.com has got you covered. That would cover you if you're an extra large, a 2XL, absolutely and utterly got you covered perfectly. You can't go wrong with KitMM. And like I said before, when you go for all these teams, Arsenal, Liverpool, Chelsea, Man City, Tottenham, Man United, West Ham, Newcastle, Leicester, Leeds, Villa and Everton, as well as a whole host of other teams you can go for as well in here. Everything, literally everything. You've got Wrexham, Brentford, Middlesbrough, Ipswich, all the latest kits from kitmm1.com. They've got you covered, they've got you back, and they've got you at the cheapest price. Well, thank you very much for watching, boys and girls. My winner, simple. Premier League winners for this season. Look at that shirt. It is an absolute cracker. They are going to win it, I reckon. Man United second, Arsenal third. Who knows? Watch this space, boys and girls. You've heard it here first. Liverpool to win the Premier League. Man United second, Arsenal third. Without any further ado, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, please. And hit that like button if you do so. And also comments. Any comments down below? Good or bad? Your experiences? Let me know, because I've got contact with them. The best way to do it is via WhatsApp, as we've always done in the past. It's better than emails. It's a direct link straight to them. You can't go wrong with KitMM1.com. See you next time out. Goodbye.